Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the month of September Glitz Glam bag. Well, it's Glitz Glam box, but it came in a bag. And this is a monthly subscription that retails for, or it costs $15 per month plus shipping. And there's usually around $50 worth of product. So let's go ahead and get into the bag and see what we got this month. Okay, first thing out is the card with the theme, and I think that's super cute. And on the back it has the products and the items and the price. So let's see what's in this bag, like officially, because you know I just said that. Anyway, it comes packaged like this, super cute. All right, first thing we got here is the Glitz glitter pod, and this retails for $5, and it's just loose glitter, so you can use it for anything. I'm gonna take this out so we can look at it. So this is the container, and I like the fact that it is a lid because it makes it easier to work with. I'm not going to tilt it too much so it doesn't pour out, but it is a nice pretty goldish copper color. Super, oop, and I spelt it anyways. Super pretty. Next thing we got here is Glam Lash Roulette, and that is what that looks like. This retails anywhere from $3 to $6. And what is it I got? Dainty Cosmetics in New York. This will probably be used in one of my creative collab looks. They are really pretty, but that is that one. So let's move on to the next product. The next product we have is a metallic lip and eyeliner, and it's pearlized. This retails for $9.50. This is in, I'm looking for the shade here. I don't see it on the package. Oh, here it is. Palladium. Yeah, that's the color, and this is, it has a 6-month use right there. Can you see it's not focusing? Anyways, it says 6 months. So let's go ahead and look at it, because the color ones I pretty much always use, and this looks like it is going to be a silver, and I do like the silver eyeliners. That is what that one looks like. Alright, the last thing we got here is the Root Cosmetic Queen of Diamonds palette, and this retails for $18. That is what it looks like. And there she is. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. You've got these 6 right here is the eyeshadow, got a blush, a highlighter, and these 3 are lip products. Now I'm unsure if I'm going to swatch this or not. Let me think for a minute. You know what, I am going to swatch this because I think I'm going to do a first impressions with this, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch this and be right back. Okay, so I have everything swatched. These colors up here, these 6 are the eyeshadows. This is the blush, the highlight, and these are the lip colors. And these are more of a gloss, so I really had to layer that up. But everything swatched really beautiful. And I'm actually really excited about this palette because I have never tried any Root Cosmetics eyeshadows before. I have like one of their lip glosses and that's it. So, and I've heard absolutely wonderful things about their palettes and eyeshadows. So I'm super thrilled and pumped to be trying this out. That is it of what is in my box or bag. Let me know what your favorite item is, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.